Hey, what's up? So this is Ryoichi. Right now, I'm going to show you how to make. I call them transitions. You know, part ones, part twos, and I accidentally deleted it. So, but I think this is a perfect time to me show you how to do it. So, you want to download this and see even if I have enough to download. It doesn't. It's not that much. It's only like 19.5 megabytes. But I always use this for transitions or even intros and outros, what have you, because I feel like it's just perfect. You don't gotta make them long, and I'll show you how I make it. So we can download Legend. I have Power Director, which is another video editing app that I use, and then we also have Filmora Go, which I use it to, I guess, spice it up a little bit, so it's not just a plain old, transition. So that's what we're doing right now. We're running with this, and I figure I'll just show you from behind the scenes. So if you're from my other YouTube channels, which the links are down in the description, welcome. This is my behind the scenes where I'll just show you like this how I edit or how I do things, or just little tips and tricks of whatever. Those are welcome to the channel video that I posted. Man, it might have been like a year ago now, but alright, so I like this because it shows you like prose is architecture. Like it shows you little things you can write and little motivational quotes. So we'll do that. Hit OK. No, that is not what we wanted. I haven't been on this in forever. Gotta cut that out. Alright, play? It might be play. Okay, here we go. So boom, go to this little settings, landscape 1080p, because why not? Let's have most of them on there. I think I had black and green last time, and it might have been this one. Yeah, this one. And the song I have for it is Perfect. Save this video. Now we just gotta wait till that shit loads. Shouldn't take that long, maybe like 30 seconds really for this to go down. But the song I have is by Atmosphere, and it's Trying to Find a Balance, and it's the very last part of the song where it kind of goes into the last verse before the song ends. So, and it's just perfect. It's literally perfect for this transition, and that's what I do. I add this, I produce the video, and then I go into Filmora Go, produce it there, and then that's how I am able to make my transitions. And I'll show all of it when the time comes. I'll show you how to do this. You can do this from a phone. I'm using it on an Alcatel Idol 4. It's just I like the phone. It's very simple. Okay, so let's go back to Power Director, which I am currently working on my next vlog. And then I was gonna do part 2, produce it. I'm like, oh fuck. Well, I accidentally deleted it. As you can see, I'm in deep editing mode of the last. I'm 7 minutes in. I was gonna put the part 2 here. All right, let's do this. Bing, bing, boom. This new project. Transition. Fuck it. Transaction. Fuck. It's close enough. It's close enough. Transitions, transactions, same difference. Don't really matter. Boom, boom. Alright, there we go. Now, download. Let's see, we can find it easily. Should be in the A's. Oh no, actually it's in the T's. I think it's in the T, now that I'm really thinking about it. No, T, R, U. So R is before. Here we go. So you're trying to find a balance? Right there. Hit play real quick. Go all the way down here because it's pretty much at the very end of the song. It might be at the very end of the song. Yeah, it's almost at the End of the song.
Balance, I gotta find my balance.
Right there. Maybe go right there. Drag it all the way down. We gotta cut that a little bit. And bring it all the way over. And as you can see, it's just perfect. Now I might bring that over. Boom, 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 boom. Bring it right there. And this is where I'm gonna put, obviously it's part 2, and then it's gonna be like the title of part 2. So let's just say it was the next day. I would type in the next day where this would be, and then but I'm gonna do that from where we'll go, produce it. I'm just gonna do HD just because I'm not waiting around for a fucking ad, because we'll be here for 20 minutes waiting for an ad to pop up. Now normally I would make an ad pop up, but I'm not trying to wait here 20 fucking minutes waiting for a fucking ad. Okay, boom. Let's go back to here. Boom. Boom. From where we go. And I use all 3 of these apps to make my transitions and everything. You want to hit the add button on the side, hit next. And then ratio 21:9, I think it just looks a lot better. Before we even do the subtitle, right now, no filters. Overlays. I like doing the winter. And obviously you got different types. But I like the winter one the best. I like winter, and then I go to the elements, and then the fog. It just looks a lot more better than just a blank screen. Hit OK. Let's go to subtitle. That's good enough. Right now, like I said, the next day, or we'll do the day after or something. So, you motherfucker, I cannot type today. So right there, boom, you can change the font. There's so many different ones here, but I like using this one for RyoichiTV. I like using that. Here we go, all the way to the end. And then I like to make it big so you can fucking see it. And then you could do all different types of shit. I'm trying to be quick with it because I'm really trying to get this shit done. And there you go. So at least you should have enough time so you can at least read it. Then hit OK, hit save. It's gonna save. It's not gonna take that long because it's only like 8 seconds. It should roughly take about twice as long. So if you have a 20-minute video, it's gonna take 40 minutes to produce. So we have 8 seconds. It should be around 16 seconds for this shit to produce. And then I'm just gonna save it to the camera, and then we're gonna go back to Power Director, and then we're gonna put it in. And that's how you make a transition. So we're gonna wait till this project saves. Alright, saving. This is like right here is like the longest part because it has to add the watermark, but we're gonna take that out because we don't need it during the transitions. I add it at the end of the video so you can see where I'm editing at. Power Director, boom. And we're gonna go back. Go back. It was Power Director. I was on this. Edit the project. And you want to click on that because that's where you get all your film, pictures, and music. But right now we're doing this. No, that's Legend. We could go to no. We're gonna go to camera, which I think is right here. Yes, it's right here. So we're gonna go here. Before we even play it, we're gonna cut this out just because I don't want that shit in there until pretty much the end of the video. So it's pretty much gonna be like this. Well, at least this vlog anyway.
I fucked up a little bit. Not gonna lie.
And that's how I make a transition. So if you tuned in for this, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate every views, every like. Even if you did not like the video, press the dislike button. This is RyoichiTV from RyoichiTV. Right now you're on BBG behind the scenes, which I might change that, honestly, because there's a whole nother video I want to talk about, but change the actual name of the channel. But I'll do that some other time. I just wanted to show you this because I feel like it was a good opportunity, because I accidentally deleted it. So, but I feel it was a good opportunity. So what I said, stay positive, do what you're doing in life. This is RyoichiTV from whatever the fucking difference channel name I happen to name this. But I'll see you later.